Losing your hair can be devastating, especially for women. Some people go to great lengths to cover up their thinning or receding hair, while others accept their lot in life. If you don't want to just let nature take its course, there are a couple different things you can do, including buying a toupee. What's a toupee? Perhaps the solution to your hair loss problems. If hats or scarves are not your thing, here are a few reasons to consider a toupee. What's a toupee? If you're unfamiliar with hairpieces, you'll find there are negative connotations surrounding toupees. However, toupees have come a long way over the last 10 or 20 years. These can be made from natural or synthetic hair. Some are made from actual human hair, often donated to organizations making hairpieces for cancer survivors. The synthetic hair looks and feels natural and is used by men and women. A toupee is usually designed to cover a bald spot, as opposed to a wig, which covers the whole head. The toupee can be attached with a tape or even woven into existing hair for a more permanent solution. Human hair toupee. The human hair toupee has a natural look and feel and has a longer life expectancy than synthetic. You also have more options for styling, as the human hair can be dyed, styled, and permed. They're also far more expensive, more fragile, and have styling and maintenance that's far more labor intensive than its synthetic counterpart. Also, the color of the hair may be less consistent, as it comes from many different sources. Synthetic hair toupee. The synthetic toupee is much less expensive, which matters a lot if you need more than one. They're easy to care for and hold their style. You can change your hairstyle and the color of your hair just by changing the hairpiece. These synthetic toupees can be damaged by heat or by trying to style them. They can't be colored, don't last as long as natural hair, and may have an unnatural look or shine to them, depending on the individual piece. Are toupees for me? Wigs, toupees, and hair extensions are for everyone. What's an easier way to change your whole look than by changing your hair? Even the slightest change of hair can make a world of difference. Whether it's gradual hair loss, chemotherapy, or temporary hair loss due to some other medical condition, a toupee can make you look and feel better. It's actually less obvious than a scarf or a ball cap. It'll boost your confidence and make you feel better about your appearance and yourself. No one needs to know you're wearing a toupee, as they can look and feel natural. So save time and money by having your best hair day every day without the need of an expensive salon. You can be ready for work or an evening out in far less time without spending hours at the salon. Want to find a couple of toupees? Then visit our site for more information and request a free consultation. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.